Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make banana chin chin. I also want to say a very big thank you to my returning subscribers. If you are new in this channel, you are very welcome. Please hit the subscribe button, like and share this video with your family and friends. I'll start by mixing my dry ingredients. I have my all-purpose flour here, so to that I'll add salt. I'll also be adding in baking powder, sugar, powdered milk, nutmeg. I'll mix to combine everything together. I will set it aside and mash my banana now. I am using 3 bananas. Mashing the banana with a fork. You can as well use a potato masher. After mashing the banana, set it aside and bring back my flour. I'll add in my margarine. I'll mix it together with the flour using my hand. Pour it into it. Then mix everything together. You can add water to it if the dough is too strong, but I will not be adding water to mine. After mixing the dough, leave it to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. I transfer the dough to my work surface, so I will divide it into 2. I'll keep the other half. So I'll roll it out with my rolling pin. To fry the chin chin, pour oil into a pan, and when the oil is hot, transfer the cut chin chin into it. Fry it on a medium heat until it's golden brown. As soon as it's golden brown, take it out of the oil.